All right, so while we're waiting for people to join and get started here, we're going to be starting off with the Make Electronics book here. It's a 3rd edition book by Charles Platt. So what we're going to be doing is the first 3 experiments in the book. So if you're interested in any of the experiments or want to learn more about them, how you can purchase any of our items, you can put all the questions in the comments and we'll make sure to get to them. So yeah, we'll be starting with section 1, chapter 1, the first experiment.
What's the first experiment, do you know?
The first experiment is licking the battery. So that's what we're going to be doing. I don't know if anyone has licked a 9-volt battery before, but it doesn't taste too great. But is it your first time licking a battery?
Yeah. Do you get like electrocuted or
No,
what?
no, you don't get electrocuted. But you can it literally says here, taste the power. That's what it says in the book.
All right,
so
well, should I open this up then?
Yeah, you can start taking the wrapper off. And it gives a little caution here in the book. It says no more than 9 volts. So what we have is a 9-volt battery. So we're testing the limits a little bit without going over. Can you get it? I have scissors. Grandma Jetta, you've done that? Oh, you licked the battery before?
Does it hurt? Like, I've never tried it before. Like, what is it? Can you describe that?
Throw the trash out. Make sure I clean up.
It hurts?
Yes, it hurts. Was it a 9-volt battery or was it more powerful?
Shocked. Oh, you get shocked? I'm kind of a little nervous. My hands are like sweating.
It says moisten your tongue and touch the tip of it to the metal terminals of a 9-volt battery.
Not hurt. It jolts your tongue, what it says.
It says a tingle.
Yeah, that's kind of what they're describing it as. So, are you ready?
Okay, just don't do it with a dry tongue. Make sure it's moist.
What'll happen if you do?
I don't know. I feel like it might like hurt more or something. Yeah. What if you don't feel anything? Oh, you wouldn't feel it if you have a dry tongue. It jumps. Yeah, it feels like a little bit of electricity.
Flash sale in 1 minute, guys.
Okay,
so,
just do it. Well, are you going to send us a gift if we do it?
Moisture prevents a burn, by the way. Do a flip?
Oh, yeah. Make sure we say Happy St. Patrick's Day. As you can tell, we're all wearing green. We've got green multimeters. We've got green 4-leaf clovers. Well, this is a 3.
Connor really wants us to do a flip.
Do a flip. Well, I don't know. I think we'll lick the battery once somebody can send us a gift. Yeah, and then we're going to make sure that we do experiment 2 and 3 as well.
I'm like a total noob. I don't know how to do any of this stuff.
That's what I'm here for. Do we cheers?
I guess so.
All right, you guys ready for us to lick the battery?
All right.
Ready? Cheers.
Ooh.
Yeah. It just doesn't taste good. It's like you can feel like the shock go through the 2, like, what do they call it? Terminals in the book? It's like you can feel the 2 terminals.
Yeah, the taste is like stuck in my mouth now.
Yeah, it tastes like
it tastes like how pennies smell.
Okay, so then after this it says, talking about resistance and blah, 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 blah. Experiment 2 is go with the flow. Before we get into this further, I want to just say that in the future we'll be doing the rest of the experiments. Maybe we'll do the entire book if you guys are really interested in it. So make sure you give us a follow if you want to see more experiments in the future. And if you're interested in purchasing this, check out our products on our TikTok shop. We have kits that go along with this book that include everything that you need to complete the experiments. And yeah, it's pretty simple there. So if you guys have any questions throughout the live, make sure you put them in the comments and we'll be sure to get to them. And yeah, let's go on with experiment 2. So it wants us to build a circuit. Right here, we can take a resistor. So they're using this one. We can use a 470 ohm resistor. So why don't you open that up and pull one out?
Yeah.
What's for sale? $7.50 for what? Okay, so right now we have a flash sale, right? It's on. Okay, so right now we have a flash sale on our mini kit 1, and that would include everything for experiments 1 through 5. 1 through 5, I believe. And then our mini kit 2, which you can also purchase through our TikTok shop, includes experiments 6 through 11. So if you guys want to check that out, it's on a flash sale for the next, I believe, 15 minutes. Yes, free shipping also. So you guys can make sure to go ahead and look at that. We're also going to be doing some giveaways. Normally, I believe it costs
like $12, right?
I think it's $14. Yeah, $14.99. So
it's over half off. About half off.
So it's a nice sale. So make sure you go check it out.
All right.
Yeah, and if you guys have any other questions, make sure you put them in the comments. We're going to move forward with this. Wow, half off and free shipping. So cool. Thank you, Connor, for...
You should order it.
Yeah, you should. Okay, so we had to make sure that when we're using our multimeter, we turn it to the right function. So... Oh yeah, make sure you guys follow us too, because then you'll be notified about other things. But stay on the live if you want to participate in a giveaway. So
I don't think I can do a flip.
Yeah,
Connor.
I can't do a flip, but we can do this experiment. So let's do that.
Well, maybe we can do the experiment. We would need.
So you have to make sure that you turn your multimeter to the ohm, and on ours, if you're using one of ours, it's the white. They're all like color coded. So down here, there's the white buttons. I think I'm doing this right. So, okay, so then we have
Thank
this.
you for the gift.
Use the right color. So use the red and the black one, because in the book right here, we're on page 15, by the way.
It's not black.
It's black.
Oh.
It's black and red.
See, shows how much I know.
So the black is going to go on here. Yeah, you untangle those. And the alligator test leads just make it so much easier to hold everything in place while you're doing this. So you don't have to worry about like it touching or falling off or a misconnection, anything like that. We also have these for sale separately if you want to go ahead and check that out. I don't think they're for sale on our TikTok shop, but we definitely have them on our website, which is ProTechTrader.com if you guys want to go look at that. And then I need the red one here.
Right here?
Yep, I'm going to attach the red one to this side. And then the black to the black.
But I can't get it.
And the red to the red.
Yeah, see? Look at this. My hands are sweating. Profusely.
Make sure you don't have wet hands, I guess, when you're doing this. Okay, so it's reading 473, which is... If you round, it's 470 ohm. So that would be the resistance of this resistor. So here, let's turn this around.
So you're messing with it.
Here. There we go. Okay, so 473, if you round, it'll be 470 ohm. So that's how you can test the resistance of any resistor. Or they do give you information on the book on the color values. Here. So each color means a different number, and that's how you can tell which resistor is which. Or you can just purchase a multimeter and do it this way. Okay, so then let's go ahead to the next. So we need a LED. We don't need the green one.
Get it out of here, I guess.
Okay. And we need a battery. So we can take these off the multimeter. We'll turn the multimeter off and save the battery.
Okay, so it looks
So
like...
now we're moving on to page 17. And it talks about polarity because the 9-volt battery has a plus and a minus side. So the smaller side here has the plus on it. The bigger side has the minus.
I can't see.
So let's set it up the same way. Okay, so we have the red that is clipping to this side, the positive side of the battery, and then the black on the minus. Yep.
See?
Okay, and then for the LED, this is very important. There's also a positive and a negative. So the longer side is the positive. So I'm going to spread these pins apart just a little bit. and then connect it to the red, and you can connect the resistor to the black.
Right.
And then what you're going to do next is touch the resistor and the LED together. So let's hold it up and do it so that they can see what happens. And there you go. It's going to light up. Let me know if you guys can see this.
This is my first time ever doing any of these experiments.
So yeah, that's how you make a LED light up. So that was experiment 2. They add more to it where you add the multimeter and it reads the milliamps.
I don't know if they can see that. I'm keeping it lit up.
You saw it? Yeah. So it's lit up on the table now because it's resting on it.
It's kind of hid behind the battery.
Or if you go to experiment 3 here, what you can do, and if you don't want to hold the resistor touching the LED, you can also just connect it with an alligator test lead. And again, the alligator test leads are sold on our website. So here we have it connected, and look, I don't even have to like hold it together or anything. So we have a working circuit here. And that was experiment 3 on page 23. I have it open right here if you guys want to look at it. So yeah.
That was
and if you want to see any more experiments, make sure you give us a follow and keep an eye out for the next time we go live. We'll be going through other experiments of the book. I believe we still have the flash sale. The flash sale, how much time is left?
That one's done. There'll be another one.
Oh, okay. So the flash sale for the first kit has ended. We'll have a second one up. If you guys want to purchase the items to complete these experiments, we have a mini kit that excludes some of the more expensive products to make it a cheaper option for those who are interested. So the mini kit one will cover experiments 1 through 5. So we just did 1, 2, and 3. And we have our working circuit here if you guys want to see. If you guys have any questions about our products or anything, make sure you put them in the comments. And we're going to be doing some other things today, so make sure you stay tuned. What else do we have planned? Let's see. If you purchase any of our electronics kits, then you're also going to be given one of these cards.
What's that about?
So this card is telling you how if you follow the steps below, you can be entered to win a $100 Visa gift card from us. So all you have to do is take pictures of, you could take a picture of this right here in front of us, this circuit, and upload it as either a review on Amazon, or you can post it on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and tag us in the post. And if you do those things, you can take a screenshot and email it to us. And okay, sorry. Real quick, there's 8 minutes left in the current flash sale. Flash sale. Okay, so there's 8 minutes left. So if you want to check that out, to purchase the mini kit 1 for a cheaper price, and then you'll be given one of these cards also. So you'll be able to enter to win a $100 Visa gift card as well as your purchase, which if you win, you'd be making a profit. So I don't know why anyone wouldn't take advantage.
Oh, happy St. Patrick's Day. I think I remember you from a couple lives ago.
Our last live with the Snackle box. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone.
Welcome back. Go Birds. Go Birds.
Okay, and then another thing that we have for you guys right now is if you purchase any of our electronics kits, then you're also going to have a chance to win a golden egg. So most of the eggs that we have here are going to be regular, and they're going to have bonus components inside. So no matter what, if you purchase a kit, you're going to be winning something for free.
Well, what's in the gold egg?
So in the gold egg, we're going to have like a little card that'll say, like, you know, you won, congratulations. You can email us, and we're going to be giving you a coupon code that you can use on any of our products through our website. So it's definitely planning to enter the contest soon.
Good luck. I wish I could enter.
Oh, I remember she bought one of the kits off of our TikTok video. So that's awesome. We're so excited, and we hope to hear from you soon. Make sure, you know, you email us and everything so we know.
I want to get lucky with ProTechTrader. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
The giveaway starts out in 15 minutes.
Okay, so the giveaway has started.
Point like this.
Where is it? Here?
It's like right here. Hold on. I'm waiting for that thing to show up. Yeah, I have it. You don't.
Okay,
You're way off.
He has it.
It's right here.
Okay, so, all right. The giveaway has started, and it'll be lasting for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we also have this experiment up in front of us where we created this circuit, and we have our LED lit up. We went through experiments 1 through 3 of this book. If you want to see any other experiments, make sure you follow us. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, make sure you put them in the comments. We'll be reading and you know.
BBL Drizzle 420.
That's
Thank you for the follow, too.
Yeah, it's a great name. But yeah, make sure if you guys have any questions about any of our products or anything to put them in the comments. We have a ton of opportunities for you guys to win stuff for free and all that. So,
what other kind of stuff can they get from us?
Oh,
Cherub Beam has a question.
Okay, what's your question?
I'd love to know.
But yeah, anyone with a question, just put it in the comments and we'll get to it as soon as we can. We have a ton of products. We have a bunch of stuff behind us too, if you have any questions about that. Oh, we also have here in front of us, I don't know if you guys can see this thing lighting up. This is a heart soldering kit. So he actually made this, and it was his first time ever soldering, and it came out like literally perfect.
Go birds.
Oh, someone said go birds.
Sorry for the interruption. Yeah.
But yeah, it was his first time soldering, and we made this little heart kit. This is sold separately if you want to purchase the little battery pack to keep it powered. But it comes with everything here, and then you can also purchase one of our soldering irons. This is it in the packaging. Yes, it's St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day to Summer. And then you can also purchase a little spool of solder from us. So it would come with literally everything you need, and I think it would all be under $25.
And it was my first time ever doing it, so, you know, it's easy.
Anyone can do it, and it's literally, it says it's for Valentine's Day, but it's perfect, like an anniversary gift. If you and your significant other want a little couples activity to work on, this would be perfect. So, and you can work together without arguing. So, yeah, it's not too difficult. Anyone could do it. It's perfect for beginners. Same thing with these, the mini kits. This book here, which we also sell with our 3rd edition Ultimate Kit, comes included. It's made for beginners, so it gives you the rundown of everything. It explains everything thoroughly, and it teaches you how all this stuff works, how you can use it. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone. Thank you to everybody who watched and joined and participated, gifted, everything. Thank you to everyone. Make sure if you guys have any questions, email, call us. Check out our TikTok shop, and we have a website, www.ProTechTrader.com, Amazon and eBay, all that fun stuff. Make sure you follow. You'll be notified the next time we go live, most likely on Friday. We also have an Instagram page. We're posting daily stories, get customer engagement, any ideas from you guys. We'll probably be going through experiments 4 and 5 that Friday, the next time we go live. All right, so we're going to end the live here. Thank you to everyone. I hope you all have a great St. Patrick's Day. Bye. Bye.